a man. Right.
Freedom or whatever.
Right.
And then went on a date, got stood up on that date. You know, for
Okay.
a man to actually arrange something with you and then get to the date and then not show up at all. I've also been ghosted by a guy, and I've also went on with
You're not talking about the first time we tried to do a show, are you? You're not throwing that. You're
no,
not throwing that in
I
my
think I
face.
ghosted you.
I
I
was feeling
ghosted you
so
then.
bad for. Okay, I'm just messing. Okay, go
No.
ahead. Go ahead.
This and at some point again, I went up with a man who admitted to me that I was his side chick, you know. But it wasn't just like, you know, it was, yeah, I'm so sorry. It was from the US, by the way. I'm in the UK, so when I come
I'm
to the
sorry.
US,
Wait,
me
I'm
and
sorry.
him,
I'm not laughing at. I'm thinking to myself. I'm talking to an extremely intelligent woman right now. Are you
yes,
telling me that somebody and he told you? How does that happen to you, my friend? Kathy, how do you meet
let
people?
me, and
How do
this
you
is
meet?
what it is. So you meet somebody, right?
Okay, I'm
You
sorry.
meet somebody, and then 6 months in, you're like, hold up, there's so many red flags here. And
Okay.
then little FBI, CIA, you know, Kathy investigation, and you realize, yeah, I think there's more than two of us in this relationship. I think
Kathy CIA went to work.
definitely, like,
Kathy Secret Service went to work. Go like, wait a minute. There's more than
yeah,
two people in this relationship. Okay.
yeah, there
Go ahead.
was more than two people in this relationship. So I'm like, hold up. And at this point, he's just about to leave to come back to the US. And I am head over heels in love with this guy. And I finally find out that he tells me and admits finally, because the evidence is there. The CIA report is there going, it's the three of us, man. And we end, you know,
You got the Prime Minister report right in front of you, right? You get the President report.
exactly, right? Non-redacted. And
Non-redacted. I like that.
and
Non-redacted. That's good.
he goes to me, oh yeah, I'm so sorry. Yes, you are a side chick. I have a long-time girlfriend. Had the sweetest American accent like you have. Oh my God.
Hey,
And
don't be trying to throw
then
me in the same boat with him. Don't even be trying to go there. Don't you dare.
yeah, so
Okay,
so
go
he
ahead.
said, you know, I'm so sorry. I really, really, I love you. I want to break up with this
I'm
girl, you
sorry, I didn't mean
see.
to laugh. Okay.
But I just need you to do me one favor. Don't tell him. Don't tell her that, you know, because at the moment you're in your feelings, and I was saying things like, I'm texting her right now to tell her, girl, did you know there's three of us in the
Yeah,
relationship?
right.
And she ended up, and he was saying, oh, don't tell her, but I do love you. Again, another red flag. But at that point, that was like for me, a low point in my life, especially because I was in a new town. But even with that, even with him admitting and all that, admitting to me that I was a side chick, I still booked a ticket to come to the US to see him.
Okay. All
Yes.
right. We're gonna have
What?
to stop. We're gonna have to stop the show now. I'm gonna have to go back, put my coaching hat and my dad hat on at the same time. I'm gonna be your internet daddy, and I'm gonna be your coach because we need to
No,
talk. No, I'm just kidding. All right, no, I'm just
but
kidding.
the thing is, there's so many women who are putting up with such
Yeah.
stuff, right?
It's abuse.
I'm telling you,
It's abuse. It's abuse of that
it's
person's
abuse.
emotion
Yeah,
of that person's emotions. It's an abuse of that person, of actually
exactly.
both of you women. And technically, he's abusing
Exactly.
him. He's abusing his own self-worth.
Exactly. So I ended up,
I like everybody. See, everybody's talking about your accent while we're talking about one thing. They're talking about now
yes,
we're
I'm
getting it
Kenyan
clarified.
and I'm grown up in the
Yeah,
UK.
yeah. Okay. We,
Um,
go ahead.
so, so this relationship, so I'm there, right? I've been cheated on, went back, like, and let me tell you, it wasn't even, oh, are you cheating on me? No, I'm not. Are you cheating? No, I'm not. It was, I literally walked in and I saw the woman coming out of the house. So it was that dramatic moment you see in the TV, but I still went back, been stood up, been, what is it called? Where they basically disappear
Oh,
after
the
texting you for 2 weeks.
ghosting you. ghosting you.
ghosting, yeah. And then I meet this guy, the American guy. I'm gonna keep saying that because
Obviously, you keep looking, you keep looking at me like, hey guys,
the
I'm
American.
gonna tell you right now, it wasn't me. And I'm not singing. I'm not singing a song saying it. I'm literally telling you, it wasn't me. Let's go ahead.
No. So, but then he admits to me that I'm his side chick, and I still book a ticket, right? I still book a ticket to go and see him, even after he's told me, don't tell my girlfriend that you're the side chick, but I really, really love you.
Did you get the refund? Did you get the refund?
I did some of it, yes, but flights don't really refund everything, do they?
No.
Lesson learned.
I know.
Oh, yeah, and I don't know whether to say this or not,
no,
but
it's too late. It's too late. You got to say
it. This is me proper being vulnerable, but I might have paid some of his debts.
I saw this coming. I knew you were going to say it. I knew it. I knew you were going to say it. And I definitely know for a fact we're stopping the show because you needed intervention for something that has already, it's already passed. We're going to go backward. This is back pay intervention. Okay. So you see, this is why people are scared to come on NARC Abuse TV network. They just start saying stuff, and I've had people come on.
I'm like, oh my God, this is not what I plan to do.
When the show's over with, they go like, "Oh, my mom just got through sending me a message because I said stuff she didn't know. She didn't know," and I was like, "Hey, sorry." Okay, now you got at least a